Rahim. Assalamu Alaikum, friends. Hopefully, you're fine and doing well. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world, and you are safe and secure. Ameen, summa ameen. In today's video, I am going to discuss with you a very common problem facing most of the people when they are doing editing in Kinemaster mobile app. For example, in video section here, this is the video. Click on the voice every time. This video is 11 minutes and 15 seconds, and this video is related to how we can create browsers on our laptop or desktop computer for increasing watch hours for monetization. I record this video on my laptop, but when I move this video from my laptop to mobile phone and open this video in Kinemaster app, so this video is not opening. So if such kind of situation is occurring, so what is the exact solution? You can face the same problem if you record video on your mobile phone sometime, or if you record a video on your laptop or desktop computer, or for example if you record a video on your camera as well, but when you transfer it into your other mobile phone, so the Kinemaster app installed in your mobile phone is not supporting that particular video. So if such kind of situation is occurring, so then what will be the exact solution of the problem? So here I open Kinemaster app as well, just for built understanding purpose that what is the problem that I'm going to discuss with you in today's video. So open your Kinemaster app, and here is option of create new project. So you click on it. Next you can select the aspect ratio. Here I select 16:9 and click on the create option. Now here Kinemaster app is open, and next there is a folder of my album, and here the recorded video is 11 minutes and 15 seconds. But when I click on this video here, unsupported file format, so I cannot open this video in my Kinemaster app for editing. So if such kind of problem is occurring, so then what will be the exact solution? This is the problem which I am going to discuss with you in today's video. So before going to start the further process, if you are new here, a warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Earning Tips for You. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon so you will get latest video notification first of all. Now move back from Kinemaster app to another app. If for editing you have using only one app and that name is Kinemaster, so then you must install another app on your mobile phone as well. For example, I am using UCut application on my mobile phone for editing as well. So here on Play Store you can install UCut app on your mobile phone. But if you have using any other app, so then you can use it as well. Here on UCut you must click on the plus option. Next you click on new project option, and here this is 11 minute and 15 second video which is creating problem when I open this video in my Kinemaster app. So now if there is situation like you can skip the early few seconds and the end few seconds of this 11 minute and 15 second video, so then you can select this video in your UCut application, and here click on this arrow sign, and here you can in the start you can move further, and here you can skip the few seconds as well, and from the end you can also skip few seconds of this video. If such kind of situation is occur, so then you can only select the one video that is creating problem in Kinemaster app, and here at the end you also skip the few seconds as well. For example, this is the case, it's just for understanding purpose. And no 11 minute and 15 second video is reduced to 11 minute and 9 second. If such kind of situation is occurring, so then you can do this thing, and next you click on the save option, and here again click on the save option, so your video starts saving process. Here there is advertisement, so click on the cross sign, so advertisement will end. Here the saving process is started, so after a few minutes or few seconds this video will be saved. But I am not going to save this video. My purpose is just to build an understanding for you. Now move back and open new project again. This is another situation. If this 11 minute and 15 second video has no limit, no option to skip few early seconds and skip few end second as well. This 11 minute and 15 second video is totally useful. So then what is the next situation? Next situation is you must combine your two videos. Like for example, here this is the first video which I combine, and here this is the second video which I combine. So here click on this arrow sign, next again click on this arrow sign and start saving these two videos. Again click on the save process. So here you can see again this saving process is started. So again I am going to close this one because it is just for understanding purpose. Now to move further, I just open this video and skip few early seconds, for example this, and now I click on the save option, and here I start saving this video. So when this video will save in my mobile phone, then I will open Kinemaster app again and explain you further that how you can use this video. Now here you can see the saving process is completed, and if I open my video section, so here you can see this is the video which is saved in now, and now this size is reduced to 11 minutes and 11 seconds. Wow, that's amazing. So now again open Kinemaster app, install in your mobile phone. This is the start of Kinemaster app when you open it on your mobile phone. Next click on new project option, and here you can select the aspect ratio. I select 16:9. Next click on the create option. So in this way, when Kinemaster app is open, so here you click on the UCut option, and here you can see that 11 minute and 11 second video which I selected. So you can click on that video, and here this video is selected. So now you can edit this video easily according to your own way. So when your editing process complete, so click on this arrow sign, next click on the first option, and here click on the save as video. here advertisement will appear in front of you. So here you click on the skip option. So your saving process will start. So if there is such kind of situation, so this is the exact solution to tackle it. Hopefully this video is very useful for you. If you will get latest video notification first of all related to YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon. That's all about in today's video. Inshallah, see you soon in some next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.